Hi there folks, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com and Alkalize with Andrea, detox, juice fasting, yoga, raw food educational retreats. I am here in my kitchen today. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. I've got a salad for you that is quick, it's easy, it's vegan, it's raw, there's no dead decomposing animals in it, so I think you're gonna like it. And like I said, it's easy, that's my favorite part. So, you know, I'm all about practicality right now, easiness in my life. I'm starting a new business that I'll be sharing here with all of you very, very soon, and it's just kind of a little bit more of a spiritually based business, but we're working day and night on it. So I'm about easy peasy in the kitchen. I like things I can take with me to the gym, drink a smoothie after the gym, drink a juice before, have a salad already pre-made. 4 ingredients, here we go. I've got some fresh arugula. I've got some romaine lettuce that was left over from last night's salad. I've got Hilary's balsamic thyme dressing. I'll tell you why I love that in a minute. And I have fresh dates that were grown right here in Southern California. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of arugula, a little bit of romaine lettuce, like so. There we go. Now, why do I love Hilary's dressing? Well, it's light on fat, it's vegan, I don't have to worry about her putting eggs or mayo or anything in her dressing, and the taste is unbelievable. Now, Hilary's balsamic thyme, a little goes a long way. I'm actually making this for my cameraman today. A little goes a long way. It's very, very acidic, strong. The dates, I like to put 4 or 5 dates. If this was being made for me, there'd be 10 or 20 dates. You know, I am a high carb girl. Another reason I like Hilary's dressing is it's got thyme in there. Now, if you watch my other videos, you'll know that thyme is absolutely excellent for food allergies. So if you have any food allergies, eating the herb thyme is excellent. You can make thyme tea by soaking the thyme. But it's just an excellent way to curb those food-related allergies we all get. So I hope that all of you put a timer on this. So quick, so simple, so easy. But you've got some carbohydrates in here with the fruit to fuel your mind and your energy. So this would be great if you wanted something light, if you work from home, you don't want to, you know, slather down some big, you know, sandwich or something. It's light, it's quick, it's practical, it's easy, and thank you for making it with me. I'm Andrea Cox. Check me out on Facebook. I do a Tasty Tuesdays live every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific on Andrea Lee Cox via Facebook. That's L-E-I-G-H Cox. And definitely sign up for my newsletter at AndreaCox.com. Be well.